What we're looking at here is a stairway with a little landing or deck sitting on top of two 4x4 posts with one metal connector. And you can see the metal connector, the black arrow is pointing to it here. And of course it's doing its job. It's holding the rim of the landing together with the joist there and making a nice connection, and I have no complaints about that except for the fact that there isn't a strap or some type of a connector connecting the post to the landing. Now the biggest problem I have with it is the other side. There isn't a connector here. Why isn't there a connector here? I don't know, because I didn't build the stairway. And I am not about to suggest that this stairway will ever fall down, ever. You know, a lot of times people get carried away with these, with the building hardware, and it has to be this and have this and do all this stuff. However, if there was a strong enough earthquake and you come out to go down the stairway, it might not be there. Let's face it, those connectors and pieces of building hardware actually will make a difference when the time comes. The point I would like to make here is all it's going to take to resolve this is to just go get another strap and nail it on here. Would have been nice if they did it before it was painted, but you could put a couple of straps even down to the post, and then around and use a strap to connect the joist to the rim where the arrow is pointing. So realistically, a couple of straps and you would have this corner taken care of, one going down to the post, connecting the post to the platform, and the other wrapping around the landing joist and rim, connecting that. So there is a quick fix for this, and it really wouldn't cost you a lot of money. Now, something else I would like to point out, and it's actually the reason why I made the video in the first place, and that's that a lot of people forget that they can just take a strap and cut it in half. You know, if you don't want to go to the hardware store, the lumber yard, and pick up another strap, and you're not planning on it, then something like this, you could have actually cut the connector on the left side. You could have actually cut that in half and used it on both sides, and it would have gave you a little better connection than using it like this. So again, don't forget that if you're just building something and you're looking at it this way, that something is going to be better than nothing, then sometimes cutting a strap in half is going to be that something that will provide you with some additional support. So again, I doubt if this thing will ever fall down unless there's a big shaker. You know, the environment, the weather will probably wreak more havoc on this and do more damage than an earthquake will. So again, just a few more pointers. Hope they're helpful. Let me know if they are.